In Staff Map 4, you can use themes to adjust the look of any project you have. For example, you can change the top bar color, you can change the font size, or you can change anything to do with the panels that you see on the floor plans as well. To adjust themes, you can go to the side menu, click Tools, Projects, and then Project Settings. At the very top, you'll see a theme dropdown. You can just click that, and you'll see some default options available. The standard theme is what we're looking at right now. We also have a colored panels theme, which will adjust the color of the theme based on the department of the employee. And there is a transparent theme as well. You can create your own themes. You can jump into the project settings again, click the drop down, and then just click the plus button. And that will bring you into the theme editing view directly. You can also edit the current themes. So if I go back to the standard theme, I can go back to the side menu, project settings, theme, and I can click this little configuration or properties icon next to the theme. Again, that'll take me to the theme editing screen. From here, we have a few things we can do. So with these employee panel field, asset panel field, and desk panel fields, we can adjust the information that's displayed on the floor plan. So by default, we have the image, first name and last name. Maybe if I just want to declutter the floor plan a little bit, I can deselect picture and first name and save, and then just give it a quick reload. Now you can see those panels are adjusted. They just have the last name on it, and they don't have the picture and the first name anymore. I'll jump back into the edit view and add those back in. Just picture, first name, last name. Below that, you do have the CSS field. So you can customize the CSS in the project directly from here. It does take a bit of CSS knowledge, but you can generally look at what's already there and adjust that if you need to. And we also have some help in our help site that gives some guidance and some examples as well. But I can do something like just adjust the background color of the panels. Maybe if I think they're a little bit too kind of too light for the floor plan, I can jump in here and make this black. And then I can make the color of the font white. And again, I can save that at the top. And we can see that immediately shown on the floor plan as well. Something else you can do is style the panels based on information in the system. So a good example of that would be the colored panels theme, where if I jump in, I can see that August Waters, if I refresh quick so we can see everything. Darren McLaren here is in the accounting department, so he's yellow, and Eddie Redmange is in the marketing department, so he's blue. And the way that's done is kind of in two parts. So if I edit an employee and then go to the edit fields, we can see with this department field, there's this little purple indicator, and that's panel class. So when that's toggled on for a field, it just means that it will be targetable by the CSS styles. If I jump to project settings, and jump into the colored panels and edit that, I'm going to scroll to the very bottom here and we can see the CSS that's actually doing the coloring. So it all follows the same template. You've got the kind of the field name, which is department, underscore the field value, all in lowercase. So we can see here the counting department, the background color is F6F155, which corresponds to another named color. But that's where you do it. So if you had another field, maybe for teams, down here you put dot teams underscore value, so on and so on. If you need any help with that as well, that is something that we can look at as part of support and at least give you some guidance on.